attitude na siya. Madungis? Gusto mo yun? Ano, madungis? Yes, hindi, malinis siyang tignan.
Nag-exercise mo araw kong basura ka.
Kian, this is your first shot talaga.
Wala ka naniniwala.
Ano sabi? Kiss lang ako.
Hindi mo last ka pala.
Napapakit lang ako.
Hindi kasi naman si Kian. Uy, magaling si Kian ah.
Binubuli lang niya ako eh. Pero okay, masaya. Hindi kasi masaya siya
Huwag mo kang duruin. Ay, nanay ko dinuduro ako.
Hindi, sabi mo gano'n.
Mami, Pinky, Daddy Carlito, binuduro po ni Kian si ano. Pero pa...
That what I feel for you is real. This is the last chance for us. This is the moment that I just can't end before I know that there's a chance we're more than friends. So don't let go, make it last all night. This is my last chance to make you mine. I get my feelings so deep. I kept my dreams of you and me somewhere inside. Although I pray that you would see it in my eyes. But this is my last chance to say what's in my heart before you fade out of my life, and then you understand the way I feel inside. So hold me close, 'cause it feels so right. This is my last chance to make you mine. Make this dream reality. So close and yet so far. Gotta find a way into your heart. Gotta speak my mind. Gotta open up to you this time. I can't let you slip away tonight.
Pero kung rock pala yung number nyo, dapat pala sinama nyo na si Alex sa grupo nyo.
Pati ikaw.
Kasi parang rock and roll na si Alex ngayon.
Sample.
Parang sample daw yata eh. Sample daw si Alex eh.
Oh, sige, sample. Wala tayong magagawa. Okay, sige. Please, palakpakan niyo ako, ha? Okay, this is for you guys. This is my favorite band from Calabilly. Susundan kahit saan man magpunta.
Okay. Ang galing. Ang galing talaga.
You're Alex, you're a star. Bibigyan kita. Kiss.
Hindi, okay lang. Sige, dumay.
Hay nako.
Ay, hindi, okay.
I love
Sige
it.
naman.
It's
Okay, eto. Pag-film to.
We'll give her time to regroup. Bago pa matuloy ang ligawan dito, silipin naman natin ngayon ang
This is my last dance with you. This is my only chance to do all I can.
I don't understand the way they say that she's yours, not mine. Sending roses and your signatures, really just a waste of time. Girl, it's fun. doggone girl is mine. Don't waste your time. Alex is mine. But I love you endlessly. So come and go with me to one town. But we both cannot have her, so it's one or the other. And one day you'll discover that she's my girl forever and ever. To be let down, a real good time. The girl is mine. The doggone girl is mine. Don't waste your time. The doggone girl is mine. She's mine. No, she's mine. She's mine. Mine, mine. She's mine. She's mine. She's mine. She's mine. She's mine. You're mine. Happy birthday, Alex. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Huwag mo akong chinacharot ko yan, ah.
Anong wish mo kay Alex, Kian?
Ano? Happy birthday, Cathy. Alam mo na yun. Basta alam mo na yun. Saka...
Wala akong alam.
Alam mo na yun.
Di daw nila alam, Kian. Gusto nga daw nila marinig.
Hindi, happy
Si
birthday.
Kian,
Hindi, seryoso to. Basta, I'm just gonna be around. Whatever happens. And, I love it. That's why. That's why. At saka, masaya, isa yung... Hindi, kasi isa sa pinakamasaya nangyari sa buhay ko yung BFGF at kami ni Alex yun. So masaya ako na nakasama ko siya at naging isa siya sa pinaka-essential na tao sa buhay ko ngayon. Kaya, ayun, happy birthday. Yun nga. Saka, basta...
Yes!
Happy birthday, Alex.
Pasagutin naman natin si Alex.
Yes. Sige.
Ano naman masasabi mo sa wish sa'yo ni Kian?
Charot. Pero ba yung hindi? Thank you.
I feel you. You're always here in my heart. That's where I've kept you since.
The score is 10. Out of 100.
Dapat hindi ganun. Masama umiiyak. Ayoko na umiiyak. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo, tsaka sa araw-araw. Dahil lagi ka naman masaya kasi kahit seryosong usapan, tumatawa ka. Tsaka, basta alam mo na yan. Alam mo na lahat yun. Diba, sabi ko kasi na I'm always gonna be on your side whatever happens. And kung saan ako pupunta, doon din ako. Alam yan. Kahit sa hampas lupa ako pumunta, nandun din ako. Siyempre naman po, sabi ko nga po na isa siya sa mga essential na tao sa buhay ko na hindi ko inaasahan na mangyayari. Kaya, ayun, I'm happy na makilala ko siya. Bakit ka ba kasi umiiyak?
Po, syempre minsan, dahil OA ako, minsan nag-overreact ako, tinatanggap lang yung mga galon. So, tinatanggap niya lagi ugali ko. So, thank you.
Because I love you differently.
Different? Di ba ako tao? Ano naman ang I love you the same. No? Hindi, thank you. Alam naman ni Kian yun na talaga matibay aming friendship. So, kahit anong
Friendship lang.
dagok.
Friendship
Oo, hindi kasi nga si Kian, sobrang bay niya. Lagi siya nag-a-adjust sa ugali ko. So, sana mag-adjust ka lang na mag-adjust.
ba nangyari sa atin, Sir Kayan? Ano naman ang ganap doon?
Basta, masaya.
Hindi. Sobrang magugulat kayo sa ending.
Magugulat paano? Ha? Ganon?
As in, ha?
Kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hanapin pa. Basta kasama kita.